Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best My First Microscope is probably one of the most exciting purchases for both kids and adults who are curious about the microscopic world, opening up a universe of discovery and wonder previously unseen by the naked eye. This video will guide you through the process of selecting the perfect microscope for your needs and budget, covering essential features, magnification capabilities, and ease of use, ensuring you make an informed decision and embark on a journey of scientific exploration. Number 5. GeoSafari Junior Talking Microscope. It's designed for young scientists to explore nature, space, and the wonders of science. Get ready for an amazing journey of discovery. With high-quality images and Bindi Irwin's guidance, it brings learning to life. You'll expand your knowledge of animals and plants in a fun, engaging way. It's a real scientific toy that's easy and fun to use, making learning an adventure. Perfect for introducing young children to the world of science. It features 60 full-color images and 2 modes, fact mode and quiz mode. It's packed with fun facts and interactive quizzes to test your knowledge. It makes a great gift for the holidays. It's part of a range of educational toys designed to spark curiosity and a love of learning. What we like? It's a talking microscope with Bindi Irwin's voice, making learning fun for young children. If you are looking for an engaging and educational toy to introduce preschoolers to science, this is it. It's perfect for kids who love animals and nature, and it makes learning about science an adventure. What people say. Loads of information and it works well. We help our little one with the slides. She's learning how to handle something like this, 3 years old, but she really enjoys seeing the images and learns about the small things in our big world. Slides go into place for viewing as they should. Truly a cool product. The weight was just right and the product was built to last. Eli wanted to know more about each of the slides. First, all the kids wanted to check this out, the 6, 4, and 2 years old. It keeps her attention and gives great bite-sized info and facts about each thing. Each slide has 3 version stages of the theme or item, i.e., dandelion, butterfly, housefly, blood cells. Bindi gives info and facts about each of the 3 images across the slide as the slide is moved to each image. Overall, it is higher quality than I expected and I'm quite pleased with it and would definitely buy it again for another kiddo and definitely recommend. Number 4. GeoSafari Junior My First Microscope. It's time to explore the amazing world around us. With this microscope, you can see incredible details in leaves, rocks, and more. It's easy to use, even for little scientists. It has a large focusing knob, 2 eyepieces, and an LED light to illuminate your specimens. It's made with extra large pieces and simple controls, so it's perfect for small hands and curious minds. No more frustration, just fun. This is more than just a toy, it's a tool that introduces children to the wonders of science and nature. Get ready for hands-on learning. The fun doesn't stop here. There are free, teacher-developed activities to extend the learning and keep the exploration going. Get ready for amazing discoveries. With this microscope, you can explore the tiny details of the world around you in 8x magnification. What we like? This microscope is designed for little hands with extra large eyepieces and an easy-to-use focus knob. If your toddler is curious about the world around them, this is a great way to encourage their exploration. It's simple, durable, and perfect for sparking a love of science. What people say. The microscope works perfectly, and is easy to use. For a 3 to 5-year-old, the magnification is great and clear. The knob raises or lowers the lens piece to view closer or slightly further away. Overall, I think this is a perfect beginner microscope for a 3-year-old. It's not meant to be professional. Having 2 lenses is great and makes looking through it much easier for kids. My daughter has enjoyed putting lots of different things in it and looking at them. It does seem a little on the cheap side, so if you have a rough child, I don't think it will last long. Overall, a good product for the price. Number 3. National Geographic Kids Microscope. Get ready to explore the amazing world of science with this incredible microscope kit. It's perfect for budding scientists who are curious about the unseen world. It features dual LED lights and high-quality optical glass eyepieces, providing 20x or 50x magnification. You'll be able to see specimens large and small with incredible clarity. This complete kit includes everything you need to get started: tweezers, a petri dish, an eyedropper, a mini geode, brine shrimp eggs, a hatchery station, and 35 prepared slides. You'll even have blank slides to create your own samples. Examine prepared slides featuring algae, mussel cells, plant cells, and much more. It's a fantastic way to learn about different cell structures and biological wonders. This kit includes a detailed learning guide to help you understand the specimens. It also provides easy-to-follow instructions on how to make your own slides, just like a real scientist. National Geographic STEM series provides high-quality educational toys that are a blast. If you're not completely satisfied, let us know, and we'll make it right. What we like? With dual LED lights and high magnification, you can explore specimens in great detail. If you're looking for a comprehensive kit with prepared slides and tools, this is the one for you. It's ideal for older kids who are ready for more advanced microscopy. What people say. It has both top and bottom lighting, allowing lots of objects to be viewed without putting them on slides. The bottom lens is far away from the object. This keeps the children from cracking the lens into the object and breaking it, and it is portable, so you can take it with you outside if the kids adventure into outdoor discovery. This device is simple and sturdy enough to meet the challenges of his age range, yet still provides a wow, cool level of magnification that will keep a kid interested. You get enough magnification to clearly see plant cell walls and motes of pollen. Image is clear and glass lenses seem to be good quality. Comes with a few prepared slides and blanks to make your own, but it's more fun to look at random stuff you can find. Looked at some flower blossoms from my yard. They had insect eggs all over them, along with some unidentified tiny mite, a new discovery. It was neat. Number 2. National Geographic Kids Microscope. Get ready to explore the microscopic world. This kit has everything you need to start your science adventure. It features large focus knobs, a comfortable eyepiece, and an adjustable platform for easy specimen viewing. 3 magnification levels ensure a clear view every time. The kit comes with 6 prepared slides, 6 rocks and minerals, and 6 blank slides for your own discoveries. Prepare to be amazed by what you find. It includes a pipette, specimen dish, tweezers, and easy instructions to help you conduct experiments like a real scientist. Explore the world around you. The included lab guide provides viewing activities for different specimens, a fun scientist game, and merit badges to celebrate your discoveries. It's educational and fun. We're committed to providing high-quality science toys. If you have any issues, our exceptional customer service team is here to help. What we like. This microscope boasts impressive magnification and comes with a variety of prepared and blank slides. If you want a powerful microscope with plenty of materials for exploration, this is an excellent choice. It's perfect for kids who are ready for a more in-depth look at the microscopic world. What people say. The focus is super easy. It's just controlled by moving the stage up and down, and it's pretty easy to get it in focus. The National Geographic Microscope for Kids is a fantastic science kit. It's easy to use, with up to 400x zoom that lets my child explore the microscopic world. The set includes blank slides and prep tools, making it perfect for hands-on learning. Designed with young users in mind, it's intuitive and easy to handle, allowing him to independently conduct his own scientific inquiries. The kit comes with a variety of prepared slides and tools, offering endless opportunities for exploration. Number 1. GeoSafari Junior Pink Microscope. It's the perfect tool to ignite a child's curiosity about science. Watch them explore the wonders of the microscopic world. This microscope is designed for little hands. Its large eyepieces and easy-to-use focus knob make exploration simple and fun. With 8x magnification and an LED light, it reveals amazing details in everyday objects. Get ready for some exciting discoveries. It features non-skid feet for stability and a sample tray for easy viewing. Everything is designed for a smooth learning experience. It's a fantastic gift for young scientists aged 3 and up. It's a fun and educational way to introduce them to the world of science. Visit the Educational Insights brand store for more educational toys and resources to enhance your child's learning journey. What we like. It's a pink microscope, making it a fun and appealing option for young children. If you're looking for an introductory microscope for preschoolers, especially girls, this is a great choice. It's easy to use and perfect for sparking an interest in science. What people say. It's super easy to use and resembles a macroscope you'd find in an adult microbiology lab. Just pop in batteries and you're good to go. This is the perfect first microscope for toddlers preschoolers. Both my 3.5-year-old and 5-year-old couldn't wait for their turn to look at things up close. I love how even the hand grip is perfect for their little hands, and the LED light and magnifier helps for them to examine different things closely that they found around the house. They really enjoyed looking at their rock collection using the microscope, and they mentioned how much clearly they can see using the microscope. The microscope itself is very durable and high quality, and even though my 3.5-year-old has been a little rough with it, it still works perfectly. This is a great little microscope for young children. The magnification isn't very powerful, but my 3-year-old is content with it, and it is nice to just be able to put an interesting object under it all on her own without needing help to prep anything. It is nice for independent play and discovery. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.